Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Pawswap on your Trust wallet. As you know, coinmarketcap.com is the link we're going to be using. It's going to be in the description of this video. And all you're going to need to do is open up this page and simply scroll down to the bottom where you can get its contract address. So you simply copy its contract address, minimize, open up your Trust wallet. And once your Trust wallet is opened up, make sure you have some Ethereum, or rather Ethereum tokens which you can swap for the Pawswap. So then you simply click on browser and simply click on Uniswap exchange, which is at the bottom here, Uniswap. Click on this big eyes and exchange the big eyes for the Pawswap. Paste its contract address, click on Pawswap, click on continue, and the Pawswap is going to be shown on the Uniswap exchange. But do make sure that your wallet is connected by using the wallet connect icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then use the exit icon to simply disconnect or connect your wallet. So once that's done, you simply enter the amount of Ethereum you'd like to use by using this space here. So we're going with 0.002 Ethereum, $3 worth of Ethereum, and that's going to be giving us 3 of the Pawswap tokens. And then you could check its gas fee and the other information as relevant as it is to you. And then you simply click on swap, confirm swap, which would be in the place of this insufficient Ethereum balance. You simply click on swap, confirm swap, and your Pawswap would be deposited directly on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy Pawswap on Trust Wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.